Morning friends, and another day and another journey. I'm taking this tuk-tuk to the nearest railway station.
What you see is an air-conditioned one, so the doors are closed. Otherwise, the doors are open. You can see this. This is our train 811. It goes to Bandra, 12 coach Bandra. So I'll be taking this train. See here, this is the loco shed. So many locos here. This is 21 and 22. My train, Bandra Terminus to Bhavnagar. Mine is 09207, so it is going this way. It's a nice one. Second AC, that is AC 2 tier. So there are only 2 berths over there. Whereas in my case, it's a AC 3 tier, there are 3 layers, 3 berths. This is how it looks. Inside, let me show you how it is. There are 3 berths here. One here, this is the second one which comes up like this. It comes up like this. The third one is on the top. It's now right time, 9:30. Started 9:30, right time. That's good. So this is our local trains, Western Railway. It's written WR, that is Western Railway. So this river flows from the interior of Maharashtra and it goes to the Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea is on that side. Now we have crossed Maharashtra. Now this is Gujarat. Now what you are seeing is Gujarat. No much difference. Come. Yes. Pizza और ये ना burger ना? नहीं वो रखना. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So my pizza has come. So he's the guy, Domino Pizza. This is the farmland. I don't know what they're growing here, but it looks beautiful. And there's a tractor here. So friends, I got a cup of tea. So my train has reached Ahmedabad. This is Ahmedabad station. So tonight I'll be staying in Ahmedabad here. So I reached Ahmedabad and see our Indian flag. So welcome to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So
Morning friends, and another day and another journey. I'm taking this tuk-tuk to the nearest railway station.
आपने झंडा लगाया, अच्छा लग रहा है. So I wished him happy Independence Day. Today is a big day for India, and now we are traveling to the railway station first by this tuk-tuk. It's drizzling. It's not raining heavy, but drizzling.
So we have reached the railway station. This is the Goregaon railway station.
So friends, I'm taking 2 tickets. It's 10 rupees each. दो बैंड्रा देना.
Now we have to go the suburban train from here to Bandra.
Friends, what you see is an air-conditioned one, so the doors are closed. Otherwise, the doors are open. You can see this train, the doors are open. So that was an air-conditioned one. So we are waiting for our next train. So here it is, 12 coach, 758. That was the air-conditioned one. Now we wait for another one. So non-air conditioned, the doors are open. So this is our train 811. It goes to Bandra, 12 coach Bandra. So I'll be taking this train. See the crowd early morning. Though this train is not going to its last destination, but still it's so crowded in the morning. So this is how the Mumbai locals are. The name of the station is Villaparle. So this was our train. We got on at Khar. The name of the station is Khar. See here, this is the loco shed. So many locos here. So guys, if you are coming from by train from Western Railway, that is the place where you get on by Western Railway. Take the bridge. Can you see the bridge? It comes here and it goes like this to the Bandra terminus. This is the Bandra terminus. So if you want to take a passenger train, you get on by local train and just walk through this bridge. You save money and time also. So this is our coach. I'm just getting in.
आराम से चाचा, आराम से.
So ours is 21 and 22. Here, 21, 22. We didn't get a window seat. So this is our coach. Before that, let me show you the washroom. That's the very important. It's Indian style. It's okay, clean. This is spray. This is a soap dispenser. Yeah, there is some soap here. Let me see the water. Yeah, nice. Yes, you have nice pose here. And this is also Indian style. Let me check some Western here. All are Indian only. Yeah, this is the Western one. So it's okay. That's the flush here. Yeah. Dispenser. It's not that clean, but it's okay for. So welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road, and you must be wondering where I am. I am at Bandra terminus. You can see the train, and I am traveling by this train to Gujarat. First I'll be going to Ahmedabad, later on I am going to another place, and now I'll let you know why I am going, because I am very happy to go to Gujarat, but I'll tell you the reason for that later on. It's a suspense, but there's an advertisement. I hope you can hear me. It's very difficult for me to speak. So we are at Bandra terminus. So I hope you will enjoy this small journey from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. It's about 500 kilometers, and I think it will reach by 6 o'clock. 6 or 6:10, something like that. And also let me show you the locomotive. Let me show the locomotive. I hope the locomotive is there. So this is general coach, Deen Dayal, that is for handicap. This is a luggage and brake generator, and also for the guard. And this is the locomotive here. Let me show you the Indian locomotives. This is my train. Bandra terminus to Bhavnagar. Mine is 09207, so it is going this way. And let me show you the locomotive. Lot of things they are sending it from here. You can see lot of things here. So India is doing good business, I hope so. This is the locomotive. Let me see the power of this. So the power is It's a nice one. Yeah. And we will be going this way. So the locomotive drivers are here. Oh, this locomotive belongs to Baroda. It's written in Hindi. Vadodara. That's Baroda. Earlier name Baroda. Now it's called Vadodara. But I can't see the power of this. It was built in Punjab. Patiala locomotive. It was built in 2022 December. But I can't see the horsepower. Cannot see the horsepower. That's okay. So this is the luggage one. Here you keep the luggage. That's why these are lying here. The next one is, as I said, there are few general compartments. Then at the AC, air-conditioned ones. The sad thing is, the station is very dirty. Let me tell you, very dirty. It's very difficult to walk. And so dirty, I've never seen any other station so dirty in India. I'm traveling regularly, but this station is very dirty. This is the general compartment. You can see this is the general compartment. Now the air-conditioned ones are here. So this is actually a second AC. That is AC 2-tier. So there are only 2 berths over there. Whereas in my case, AC 3-tier, there are 3 layers, 3 berths. This is our train. This is how it looks. Inside, let me show you how it is. So as I said, there are 3 berths here. One here, this is the second one, which comes up like this. It comes up like this, and the third one is on the top. So there is a charging, the lights here, something to hang here. There's a charging point here. It's okay. It's a curtain here. So for the night, you can just close it. It's a curtain here. So this is how it looks. There are beddings also, bed sheets. So you have a nice pillow, and these are bed sheets, and they also provide a blanket. Oh, here, this is the blankets here. So they provide blankets also. So mine is 21 and 22 here. So we didn't get a window seat, even though I'm a senior citizen. So friends, I showed you the train. And I hope this is a comfortable journey. I'll be reaching 6:10, I think. So the train will start 9:30. Now it's getting 9:20. Nice, it's comfortable, clean. Inside is clean, but outside the station is horrible, stinking and all. So friends, the train has started. It's now right time, 9:30. Started 9:30, right time. So that's good. The name of the station is here. It's Bandra Terminus. You cannot see that. Oh, the flowers. That's the flowers going there. It's flowers. And I was walking this way. It's horrible, you know. We should have got down here. I think so, yeah. We should have got down here. And we should have walked. Yeah, so if at all you're coming by this bridge, you have to get down here. If you're coming by from car, this is where you have to get down and go. Because if you go ahead, you have to walk a lot. Let me show on the other side. So this was the loco shed which I showed you from the top. I walked that way. So you shouldn't go further ahead. You have to get down and then walk. Because if you go further ahead, you have to walk a lot. So we made a mistake. This is the first time I am coming this way. That's the local trains. So we'll be connecting there. So that's the car station where I got down. You can see it's written car over there, car road. So So that's the car station. And I came from this way. Now we'll be passing through Goregaon where I live. Just wanted to show you how the Mumbai locals and how we travel by train. So we are connecting now to the suburban section. That's the Western Railway suburban section. So we are going to the north of India. So from Mumbai we are going towards north. It's on the western side but towards the north. So friends, we are going towards the north. So it's on the western side of India, but we are traveling from Mumbai to the north. There's another train passing by. So we are traveling from Mumbai towards the north of India, but on the western side from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, 500 kilometers. It's very calm and quiet now, but slowly the crowd may pick up. Now we are connecting to the suburban section. What you see is here. I don't know whether you are able to see because of the light and all that. So that's the suburban section now. So we got connected to the suburban section. But this line, the train is running. It's another station called Santa Cruz. But the line which we are learning, we are traveling is only especially dedicated for passenger and goods train. So this line is specially dedicated for the passenger train and the goods train. That's the local. So this are our local trains, Western Railway. It's written WR, that is Western Railway. Another train passing, so that's the Western Railway. Like that we have different zones. So many trains in Mumbai. The local train is the backbone of Mumbai. So now I am coming to the place where I live. We are coming to the place where I live. That's Goregaon. This is Goregaon now, what you see. So the train is passing through my place, that is Goregaon. I live on the western side. There's another train passing. I'm not editing it. These are the trains. Every 1.5 minutes or maybe every half a minute there is a train coming or going. So this is the place where I live. That's Goregaon. We cannot see the station because of this train here, but this is Goregaon. That's Goregaon. It's written Goregaon. That's where I live.
सुबह 6 बजे का है। फिर उसको छोटे को बाइंडर से लेके इधर आने का बाइंडर वरना हुआ उठ नहीं सके तो भी गाड़ी चली।
We have left Mumbai and this is the scene now. So we have left Mumbai, now we are traveling to Gujarat. So after some time we may leave Maharashtra and we will be entering the other state called Gujarat. The locomotive here. Just there's another train coming. That was another train. Now this place, can you see the name of the station is called Vaitarna. Vaitarna is a river which flows through the heart of Maharashtra and goes to the sea in the Arabian Sea. So now you'll see the river very close here. So this is my coach here, B5. And the train has stopped here. I don't know why. So this is Vaitarna station. The train has stopped here. The condition of the coach is good. It's not very bad. It's clean. And you can see one dog here, nicely sleeping here. So nice journey, but this train is taking a long time because I don't know. Usually you should reach within 7 hours, but it's taking about 9 hours, 8.5 hours. So the TC was asking, what is this here? Which ticket is this? So I was just explaining you all that I went from my place Goregaon to Bandra terminus, and if you see the price of the ticket, you will wonder, because it's just 10 rupees. Let me show you the ticket. This is the ticket. You can see it's written Goregaon to Churchgate. Actually, I wanted to get down at Khar Road, but the ticket is Goregaon to Churchgate. It is just 10 rupees. You just see here, 10 rupees. And the distance is about 30 kilometers. The distance. So this is an ordinary ticket. You can go by air condition, which is very expensive. So this is today's ticket which I took for the suburban train. That's the local train which we travel in Mumbai. Very cheap. If you see, it's very cheap. Now there's a river coming, so I just wanted to show you the river. Let me show you the river now. Here is the river. This is the river. Let me take you on the other side. Both the side there is a construction going on. There's a bridge being constructed. So this is the river. It's called Vaitarana. There are two Vaitaranas, the lower Vaitarana and the upper Vaitarana. So this is, I think it's a lower Vaitarana. The upper Vaitarana will come later on. There is a boat over there. You can see the boat, the fishermen. See the fishermen here. So this is upper Vaitarana. So this river flows from the interior of Maharashtra and it goes to the Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea is on that side, what you see. Now we have crossed Maharashtra. Now this is Gujarat. Now what you are seeing is Gujarat. No much difference. There's, if you see, a lot of greenery. It's a lot of greenery, yeah. I got a window seat. I'm just sitting next to the window. It's a big window. Lot of what you see, lot of teak wood. The flowers here, what you see, that's all teak wood. So this area, and if you go a little further ahead, there's a tribal area called Dang, where there's a lot of teak wood, you know. So here there's a mango plantation. Again there's some teak wood. So this is how Gujarat looks. So welcome to Gujarat now. So friends, now what you see is Gujarat. So we have entered Gujarat. We have crossed Maharashtra. Now the train is going to stop in Vapi. It's about 50 minutes, more than 50 minutes late. Train is running very slow. We have come to a station called Atul. And this is how the station looks. Looks very green here. This side is very green here. So this is how the station looks. And I don't know why the train is running late. You can see from here. Very quiet station. This is my compartment. There's another train car going this way. There's a signal. There's 2 yellow. So I think so. There's a train going on the other side. And there's a JCB here. Oh, there's a train coming super fast. It's coming this way. Yeah, there's a green signal there. Can you see the guys? Yeah, there's a green signal there. So there's a train coming on this track. Guys, can you see the train coming? Let me zoom it. It's coming super fast. There it is. Let it come close so then I can take a better view. going at a good speed. That's the Indian Railway. These are the old trains. So our train gave way to the other train, and now our train has started. There's no one on the station. See, there's no one on the station except one guy over there is sleeping, I think so. So these are the women who work on the track. Can you see? They are doing a great job to keep the railway in a better condition. There's a temple on the hill, and there is a train approaching. It's a beautiful temple. It's on the hill. And it looks like a fort also. And there's a train coming. I think it's not a passenger. No, it's not a passenger. So I ordered pizza, Domino pizza, and the guy is here. He's coming. So he doesn't have change. I told him you get some change. Yes, come. Yes. Pizza और ये ना burger ना? नहीं वो रखना. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So my pizza has come. So he's the guy, Domino Pizza. So this is Valsad station. Valsad is one of the very important Gujarat station. It's Valsad, and so no much crowd here. It's a very old station. And the train has already started because the train is running 1 hour late. So friends, my food is here. So we can order in train whatever you want, Domino pizza or whatever biryani, whatever you want from a restaurant. It comes from the restaurant, not from the pantry car. Some trains don't have a pantry car. This train doesn't have a pantry car, so they get it. You can book it online and you can get it. So let me have my food. There are some stalls. See what food you get. There's another stall. These are small ones. So now what you see is the small ones here. That one is, you get small things like chips and cold drinks. There are few more here. Oh, there's tea and vada pav. That's a vada pav there. Vada pav is Mumbai's special. Now here is the station. It's called Valsad in 3 languages: Gujarati, Hindi and English. So there are containers here. My daughter was working for Merckx. So Merckx is here, and now she's working for Hapag-Lloyd. Let me check whether Hapag-Lloyd container is here. Yeah, the orange one. It's very easy to recognize the Hapag-Lloyd. So now she's working for Hapag-Lloyd, and that's the container over there. So many of them. So now I'm going to sleep for a while. See you after. I just got up now. Just standing here. The panel here is, I don't know where we are. I think very close to Baroda. Yes, very close to Baroda. The train is running 2 hours late now. Horrible it is. And I couldn't get to sleep because people were going on talking and children shouting. Some people on the mobile with full volume. Very difficult to sleep, yeah. So they are very close to Baroda now. This is the farmland. I don't know what they are growing here, but it looks beautiful. And there's a tractor here. So now we are entering Baroda 2 hours late. There's some construction going on here. I don't know what it is. Train train is 2 hours late. This is Baroda. So this is Baroda. This is the main entrance and exit. I remember coming here long back. Nice place. And the station has come on this side. So friends, I got a cup of tea. So there's another train here. I got a cup of tea from a vendor. It's nice. Friends, this place is very famous for milk. So it's a dairy, Amul dairy. So this place, Anand, where the white revolution started by Kurian, Dr. Kurian. If you read Google, and you will understand why India became surplus in milk and milk products. So today, whenever I come to this place, I remember about Kurian and his milk revolution. That's called Anand. So the dairy, Amul dairy is here, and in most of the countries you may find Amul butter, Amul cheese. There's so many dairy products. So this is the place. It's called Anand. Friends, let me tell you a story long back, about you can say 35 years back. I had been on a bicycle from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So this is the same route where I am traveling today by train. And it took me 5 days to reach. What happened in Baroda, that is Vadodara now, my friend gave me a lot of food. And next day morning I was cycling and I couldn't cycle because I had a stomach upset. And I slept here in Anand. So this is the place where I slept for 2 hours. But still it didn't stop. Those days I didn't carry much medicines. And with that problem, I went to Ahmedabad, 80 kilometers, cycling on the highway. It was more than 80, so about 100 kilometers. So 35 years back, I'm sharing you a story about my bicycle ride from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So my train has reached Ahmedabad. This is Ahmedabad station. So tonight I'll be staying in Ahmedabad here. It's right 1 hour late now. Perfectly 1 hour late. That bridge. From that. Friends, I reached Ahmedabad and see our Indian flag. So welcome to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So I hope you love this small video. I'm taking a tuk-tuk from here to my house. Before that, we'll go to a restaurant and buy some food. So thanks for watching. If at all you liked my video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much.